Hello traders, today I will show you my trading session and what I usually prefer to trade. Most ideas and setups I search there in our Telegram channel. The link you will find under this video. Here traders post their setups. Today we will consider 3 setups. Let's get started. The first setup was triangle. People token has experienced strong and stable growth and then expected correction. Here the consolidation started. I noticed the huge player who was loading positions inside the consolidation. The triangle had been forming for many hours, and the structure, growth, correction, consolidation showed that most probably the huge player was loading the positions for long. I was waiting and just watching. When the price reached upper side of the triangle, the activity rapidly raised and I decided entering the long position. The impulse was insane, without any corrections. The amount of stop losses in that area fueled the movement and that's how we managed to earn. I divided the position to several parts, closing gradually along the movement. But finally, when I saw pressure of sellers in the clusters, I closed the position. Plus $80 on that trade. The next setup was the breakout in FTM. Here you see the ideal consolidation pattern along the uptrend. BTC was going up too. The ideal situation for applying breakout strategy. Then after the breakout was released, I was waiting for the retest. I was gradually fixing the position. The seller's pressure in clusters was quite significant, but I gave a chance to that movement. The movement goes on. The buyers are still in force. I have already moved stop loss by trailing stop principle. There is a struggle between sellers and buyers in clusters. Finally, when the red pressure in clusters became significant, I decided to close positions. Almost $100 on this trade. The last trade is FTM also. I opened long position entering from the market profile level. Here we see the zone where the correction was supposed to end. Just watch this strong level. Market profile and point of control in clusters show that the price is about to reverse. Frankly speaking, I took a risk to enter the market against the movement of BTC, thus I entered with a low working volume. However, the movement gave me more than 5% in the moment. The initial aim was about 0.4580. But unfortunately, when the BTC went down rapidly, the price of FTM followed this behavior and I was closed by stop loss and small profit. Plus $17, so I do not recommend opening positions against BTC movement. Finally, I managed to earn about $200 for the 3 trades. I hope the video was useful. Please share your favorite setups in the comments below. The link for the free-to-use scalp trading platform you will find under this video. Thank you for your attention.